We'll all calm down.
Boss, he's just a little excited.
I know. I'm gonna use good judgment. I haven't lost my temper in 40 years. But Pilgrim, you caused a lot of trouble this morning. Might have got somebody killed. And somebody ought to belt you in the mouth. But I won't. I won't. Well, I will.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, really exciting today. I got a bunch of footage, and basically, here it is, the update video. Did it work? Did it blow up? No, it didn't blow up. Yes, it worked. Only got a chance to go out, a handful of times due to inclement weather and life just getting in the way of things. I don't know, I shot a good, like, 200-ish rounds through it, and, every time after, I would go back and I'd see, did it loosen up? Is it wiggling? Nothing. She's rock solid. So, kind of jumping into it though, I'm going to show you some, I guess, technical footage of basically just showing what I had to do to the firing pin safety block. You can kind of see I had to grind it down, a decent amount, and I'll show you basically a picture of what. I'll show you a picture. This is what it looked like from the factory. This is what it should look like. So like a decent amount taken off, but like with that sight on there, there's no room for it to kind of do its job. So basically, once you do this, I'm sure I could probably fabricable a plate to go on there if I didn't want the sight. But once you decide you're doing this, for the most part, you're stuck with it. But I mean, I love it. I love it. So you're basically using the sight as the sealing and like retainment for the spring for the firing pin safety block. Because the firing pin safety block itself still has a chamber for it to kind of stay in alignment to be able to do its job. Block, sight, spring, and it can still like go up and do its thing, and it works. This kind of just shows you the firing pin safety block like doing its job and like still functioning. Yeah, I mean, it works. It works good. I'm thrilled with it. And, if you guys want to do this yourselves, again, take everything that I'm showing you and telling you with a grain of salt. I don't know if this was like a one-shot deal. It clearly was not designed to have an optic on it, If you're going to do this to any pistol for that matter, you really gotta like look at it. Would you look at that? No, just you really have to look at it, kind of acknowledge, okay, if I cut here, what's gonna be in the way? If I cut here, what's not gonna be there anymore? And you gotta think about the thickness of, you really
That's how much metal was there, Brandon.
It's a pain in the dick. But how this all came about was I saw a picture of an APX, just a normal APX, with a red dot mounted to it, and that's where this all spun off from. Like, oh shit, like, it's possible, but like nobody's talking about it. Like, what had to happen? Other than the lug. That's it. There's other stuff that, you know, I explained in the previous video. Like, there's a bunch of shit that you gotta think about. It is possible. So, enough of my talking though, because you guys are probably bored to death right now. Here's some range footage. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Drop a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You know, yeah, enjoy. It's done. Gonna first couple shots throwing down range here. Gonna make sure it doesn't blow up in my face before we try and sight it in. So, here we go. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna put my face behind this just in case. So. Well, it didn't fly off, and the round safely ejected, and loaded another round. We're going to do 2 more shots just like that, make sure. Here we go. Yeah, I think we're good to go. I'm really happy, alright. Fuck yeah.